Welcome to our channel. Today we will cook peri peri french fry. Preheat the oil and add the french fry. You can use preservative one or you can make it yourself, and make sure you fry it until it become golden brown. Then add some butter. Spread it around the pan. Now we will add some garlic cloves. Make sure you turn your gas in a low heat, and again fry it until it becomes golden brown. Then add some salt, pepper, mix and add the golden brown french fry and again mix it. Now we will add peri peri powder and mix it. Oh, we are going to add a little bit more and then mix it, mix. Alright, we are good to go. Now serve it with parsley or you can use coriander leaves. Trust me, this would be very tasty. Yum. Try yours and let us know. Bye.